Hello to all the YouTube fellows who are watching this video. So today's video is about modern English idioms that you often heard. Let's begin the video. The first is final nail in the coffin. It means the action that caused the final failure. Means someone's constantly fail and suddenly something even worse happened to them. So in that situation you can say that's the final nail in the coffin. That's the worst that can happen. Right next is throw shades. It means to publicly criticize someone or having contempt for someone, means looking down upon someone or thinking that the other person may not fit in the criteria that you have, something like that. So that's called throw shades. The very next is game changer. It means a new element that changes the whole situation, like a sudden change in a situation which change or flip the situation. So that's called game changer. Way next is under the radar. It means to avoid attention. He always likes to stay under the radar, means he don't like public attention or he's not a public person, right? So that's called under the radar. Why next is spill the beans. It means to reveal the secret. When someone says to someone spill the beans, it means they are asking to tell all the secrets that that person may know. The very next is under the weather. It means feeling sick. I'm under the weather. I couldn't come to office or I couldn't come to your home. So that's be called under the weather, means you're feeling sick because of the weather or because of certain reasons. Very next is in the pickle. It means in the difficult situation, like you are facing a difficult situation or a whole group in the office facing a difficult situation, then you can say to the other person that you're in the pickle too, means you are also in the difficult situation, right? And the last is hit the ground running. It means to start something new with the great energy. So it may happen to all of us that we fail in our life, so we have to hit the ground running, means to start something with great energy. That's life, that's the circle of life, that's how we're gonna live. We have to fail, we have to get up, we have to move on. So I'll see you in the next video. Take